Hello, gang. I know the backdrop is just a shit mess, excuse me. It's 5 o'clock, but here we are. What, 40, 32, 35 miles an hour? Thought you'd like to see that. Oh, I got a leak. You can see it's leaking out the bottom. I got a leak in the side of my box. I don't know, it's rubbed off. It looks like 60. 60. 70. 80. Flat out. It's leaking bad. It's getting a lot of air now, and we're limiting the voltage, so we're not overheating the coil, and we're not getting just crazy smoke. So this is the full system from track to engine. Well, that leak is like getting worse. What's going on here, guys? Oh, it's really puffing out the side. Oh, boy. All right. Well, we'll have to work on that. Damn it. That's hard to get in and out, too. I may just leave it. I'm a little tired. Anyway, it's 5 o'clock. I could put the linkage together, bolt this thing up, and take it down the track. I could. I don't know if I can. But that tether, you see how that worked out, huh? 4 wires. Boom, there it is. I didn't get the headlight in. I gotta take it out now. Crap. Okay. I guess it'll be tomorrow. Tomorrow we get a headlight. Okay, jeez. Yeah, headlight would be nice with all the iron in front. I remembered what they call this. This is called a 4-piece cast iron Atlantic. It's 4 pieces because the nose and the cow catcher and the steam boxes come off. Yeah. So there. Boy, that's pretty healthy. 9 volts. Motor's running. Imagine that going around. Yes, Margaret will want a switch on this. No doubt about it. She's going to want to switch on this. Oh, God. I almost wish I had left that open. I could put the switch up there. Where else I put it? I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to put it in the back somewhere. Shut it off around here. I don't know. Sometimes these wheels just they don't get happy. Yeah, he's warm, but he's not screaming hot either. This guy's a little warm. He doesn't like to go slow. That's his problem. Going slow burns energy up for him. Okay, let's go. There's 80. There's 80. Honestly, I saw these steam engines, and they do leak smoke. It's actually the exhaust down below, right? But anyway, we don't really want that. Beans. Well, I got to take it apart anyway. I had these little clips that hold these things in. They're just lock pins, cotter pins. There you go. And one of them was bent a little caca, and it was grabbing my smoke board and wouldn't let me go in. So I had to take it all apart again and figure out where the interference was. These engines are tighter than the plastic engines. Now, I don't know if it's a 4-piece or the 1-piece cast. This 4-piece cast is tight. I've only had 1 or 2 of these. I really like the linkage and everything, a little more detail. They look the same, but, the railing makes them nice, too. I like to put railings on engines when I get them. Anyway. It's okay. There's a Christmas train. There it is, boys. This thing goes down on top. Something like that. I need those red lights on top. I really like those. I have the part. I printed the part, and I saw it the other day, and I just thought, oh yeah, there it is. It's a little black thing, and it just glue it down, and you drill a hole under it, and you push the LED up into it, and that's it. There's no lens or anything. It's just the LED It's a tiny chip, not even a light bulb. It's just a chip, glows red. It's really cool. Yeah, that's pretty damn nice. Yeah, I think somebody would like this. I'm not selling it, boys. This is mine. We can make some though, couldn't we? We could make some of these. You know, I've got a whole wad of Atlantics. I do. I have several. I could build a bunch of these engines like this with this smoke and this DC drive. I don't have that many vintage. Well, I got 2 laying there. I said it and I got 2 laying there. But even if I don't, I can do my plastic. 3D smoke will be just the same. Actually fits easier. I don't know. Well, yeah, the board's smaller. That's right. Oh boy, that's nice. I'm just basking in this because it looks so good. It really does. It looks really good. I like those colors. I don't know. That's just me. I should polish it up. It does have a nice shine to it if you want to. I've kind of been ignoring it because it was broken. You know, I had this, very expensive system inside it, and it broke. Tell you what, this thing's running now. Man, oh man. So, 2 boards, digital reverse, power distribution, and AC to DC, a volt regulator, a buck boost, so you're regulating up and down at 8 volts. And the lid for the smoke. 4 wires. What the headlight can run off the smoke. When smoke's on, the headlight's on. I'm not going to do digital reverse, blah blah blah. I don't need it. I don't think I do. Headlights on. I did one, not this. I did a plastic engine once where I drilled out the lantern, and I put a green LED from the backside. That's another one of those real tiny chip-like ones. It just shoved the little chip right up to the hole and aim it out. And you had the green running lights for the LEDs. That was really nice looking. I don't know if I want to do that here because this front comes off, and then you got to have extra wire, and it could be done, I suppose. Anyway. Oh wow, I feel good. I feel really good. And we've been busy in other things. Well done. Well done, Casey Jones. Oh, I got another surprise coming. I had these little figures from the Cat's Paws ladies in Georgia. They made me the skinny engineer. They called it Dennis Stein. At any rate, this lady near here, we met her at the eye doctor. It's a sister of somebody, blah, blah, blah. She paints real tiny stuff. You know, there's some people that can do that. I can't see. I don't have good, my hand starts to shake. I get nervous. They can paint little characters. And I sent her photos and the dimensions of the engineer. She says, I can paint that engineer for you. I said, look up Casey Jones. And she looked him up. Oh yeah, I could do that. What shirt? Blue or red? I said, one of each. I got 2 of them. She goes, okay. She's going to paint 2 engineers, send them back. I'll take pictures and show them to you. But what I did today for our good buddy Leon was I printed 2 more sets of Hudson Tenders parts. 2 hours. Now, I'm not complaining, I'm just saying it. Now I'm printing his a new chassis. We seem to have overheated the one he has. Oh, sorry. And then he's found a Northern. Where'd my cursor go? Oh, it's way over there. There it is. He's found a Northern, but it needs a chassis for the Northern, just a standard factory replacement chassis and steps. And I've done this for another fellow, so I'm printing all of those parts right now. And we got Oh God. I wonder if I did something wrong. 4 hours. We've got 3 hours left. Margaret's gonna kill me. 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Oh, 9 o'clock. Well, it's the way it is. There's a lot of plastic going down there. I'm making them dense because his original K5 chassis that we made a couple months ago has warped. So the other thing I was going to do is anneal these. I have a heat gun and I can put them in a can and warm them up to 120 for 20 minutes, and that gives them extra heat resistance and extra strength. I ordered PETG, which you print at 240, and it can handle the higher heat. That's 240C, boys. Yes, that's a hot box. Any rate, and I can anneal that also and get it even higher. But as you can see, I ordered red. I ordered red for my smokehouse. I just thought I was going to do smokehouse and maybe the fields. And I like red, so I was just going to do them red. They get covered up, so why should you care? Boo. You know, some people are a little finicky about that. So I can't do his Tinder chassis in red. I mean, he could paint them, but that's pretty brutal. So I'm going to print them in PLA and order PETG in black, and when it gets here, another one. Oh, I flipped that over. God, don't look at that. Scratch that from your memory. My finger twitched. Hit the wrong button. Yeah, I have a face, but you don't need to see it. Oh boy. And extra steps. He wanted extra steps. Apparently he has a chassis with broken steps, so I can print the steps, and then he can file the old ones down flat and then glue these on, and they look really good. I made them as close to exact as I could. Okay, so that's what I did today. Boy, you got to go back. As soon as I hang up this, you guys go back up to the engine smoking again. I think that is a beautiful thing. Those 300s, I really like them. They're good looking, especially the 4-piece ones. And wowie. All right. If anybody knows somebody that would like a Christmas train like that, I could build those engines. I have mostly all the parts. I really do. And I'd be really happy to do that. Of course, I have to sell them, but you know, that helps too. I need more parts. Always need more parts. Okay, I'll get it on the rails. I'll hit the light, get the headlight and put it on the rails. Oh, tomorrow. Bad dentist. God. You know, I'm sorry. She's a lovely lady. Really nice lady. But, oh, geez, I don't like the dentist. Oh, gotta go. We're going. That's it. Maybe I'll get something done tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how it works out. But I would like to get the headlight on, the tail lights on, and then get it on the rails again. I'm going to flatten all that track out, that one spot that I think is bent because I brought it over and it bent on me. I got to flatten that out so everything looks nice. The rubber road red is awesome. It just looks so good. It works so good. The engine is so nice and quiet. And then with the smoke coming out, oh, wow. Margaret's going to say, where's the switch? Well, she may not say it because she may not come down here, but she came down once and she just had a cow. I mean it. We had to call a vet. It was terrible. What is all this mess? What? I cleaned up. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh. Don't ask. Tomorrow's another day. We'll be fine. Later.